All right, here we go. We're doing a really quick WetDek traction mat install. You better have that Kung Fu grip like Cowboy B. See how I'm ripping it up? You gotta make sure you're strong enough to do this. It'll come right up. The hardest mat you're gonna do is the horseshoe mat. That one's down there really good on that plastic deck. It doesn't peel up as fast, but if you can get rid of them millennial hands and get them Cowboy B hands, you can rip this right on up. Just keep working at it. We got to fast forward it here, but we got it up in about 2 minutes. Once you get to the end here, you're gonna have a lot of residue there. Just clean that up the best you can later. We use the best glue adhesive, so you don't have to worry about it much. Get it clean relatively, at least 80%. It'll stick down like no other. All right, now we're off to the footwells. Pull right on up with the Cowboy B Kung Fu grip. Then we'll go down here to the wedges. You can't have them millennial fingertips. You gotta have them tough ones. Pull up on the edges, it'll come right up. If it breaks, just go right back at it. Go ahead, keep pulling. Do the same on the other one, the wedge, the one that looks like the hatchet, and it'll come right out. Just stay at it. It's gonna make your fingers sore, but it's no problem. It's real easy to do. All right, we're almost done. That's all the way up. Now let's move on to the next traction mat. Rip. It's all the way off. We're done. Let's put them back down. It's up there. Put that one down. Let's go to the next one. That one's going down. Don't be afraid to pull the mat back up. We use the best adhesive. And if you need to pull it back up, to reposition it, because you need to have a little space in the front and the back when you put these down to let water run off. Realign it, get it put in there, put it down hard, move on to the next one, easy peasy. You put that one down, knock that one out on the first try, don't need to pull it back up, we're Gucci. Now we're moving on to the long mat. Pow, down just like that. All put in place. Let's move on to the little triangle. You don't actually use this. It's just a vanity piece, but hell, it makes it look awesome. Stick that down real easy. Voila, down real fast. We cleaned it up. You didn't see that, but we didn't want you to. It's good to go. We moved on to the next mat, the back mat. You don't want to clean that area. Just clean in the middle and use the residue from the old mat to line everything up. Get it put down straight so it's not crooked. Slap that baby down, repeat the steps on the right footwell, and you are done looking great on the water with the WetDek traction mats. Look like no other. Let's see what they look like right here.